guess I just start recording. What the hell, right? Alright. What I want to do was to do something fun for once. Well, all of it's fun always, but I can't tell what's happening. So I got my Twitch all set up. Just gonna reuse my old poker account, but now it looks like my new computer doesn't have enough GPU compute power to use on Twitch. I don't get it. But I don't need to get it. So that's not gonna happen. I'll just record this. I guess I could do a Discord live or Facebook live, YouTube live. YouTube live, that's what I'll do. Shit. How about I deal with that maybe tonight? What I wanted to do right now is actually check out this YouTube video that I came across. Once in a while you find something that's interesting that you might want to actually implement. Not very often, but do you ever actually do it? No, nobody ever does it. But I'm going to do it because this one actually would be a great service, I think, for the platform. So let's find. I'll play a little bit of it so you can understand what I'm talking about. This is the one. That's the guy.
You're probably using AI like this.
Yeah, there's so much hype, you know. It's like make $1 million in 3 weeks, or I just cloned a $35 billion app in 25 minutes. But sometimes there is something that's actually realistic, and this guy seems to be pretty realistic. Yeah, Bob the Builder, Robert's Tech Toolbox, and he had a service that he built that I thought would be good for the platform. Well, it's in my history, so I'll just go there. I guess I watched a bunch of shit tonight. One prompt builds all. Is that it? Is that it?
What if one AI tool could build a full app, design a website, automate your business like N8N, and even run AI agents, all from a single prompt? No code, no setup, no waiting weeks for developers. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 things. 1, how to build your own website to sell products, complete with login, dashboard, and payments, all from a single prompt. 2, how to create an AI workflow that automates and Book Studio with login, user dashboard, Stripe API key to process customer payments. They provide a application, and Deep Agent Pro is $20 per month, total with around 25 full tasks included. For prototypes or small projects, that goes a long way. Heavy users just budget a few extra tasks. Now, let's take one of my free prompt packs and turn it into a real app. Here's the concept. Build an AI app that takes a single product photo and turns it into a viral ad generator using consistent characters and Google VO3 JSON output. The app will generate 4 to 8 consistent character ad clips. For this demo, I'll use Google AI Studio. It's free with limited credits, but if you want to build bulk apps or advanced functions, go for the Pro plan. Copy my template prompt, links on my Facebook page, and paste it inside Google AI Studio. Here's what happens when you hit enter. It builds the full UI for uploading images, adds a preview and job queue, creates a character lock module to keep consistent visuals, generates Google VO3, JSON templates with cinematic camera moves, lighting, and shot types, adds a download bundle step, and finally, deploys the app with a live link. Let's test it out. I'll upload one product image from my previous tutorial, set the aspect ratio, and let the app analyze it. It automatically generates a concept prompt. Then I click generate, and boom, I get my character and product pair. The first version isn't perfect, but that's expected with a general prompt. That's exactly why my free prompt pack will help here. Still, I'll select one I like and move to the next step. It gives me 8 scene prompts, one by one. Super easy to follow. Click Create Image, and look at that. The visuals are cinematic, realistic, and ad ready. You can download each image to your drive, or go further. Generate animations directly inside the app. The results look good, but not fully consistent yet. That's why I'll now rerun the same process. This time, I will insert my free template prompt. Turn one photo into a consistent character for your ads. If you've not watched this video and want the free prompt, just check the full tutorial link in my description. I paste my AI Ads app template prompt and include my free one photo, consistent character ads prompt pack. Hit enter, and now look at the difference. This version produces sharper, more consistent character styles and matching products across all scenes. The result looks more professional and cohesive, perfect for short-form ad videos. After generating, you can download all images, JSON files, and animations to your drive, or deploy the app publicly, just like an Abacus AI. So don't wait. Try these tools today and start building your own AI-powered apps. Here's another bonus test. Building a workflow automation to handle your boring daily tasks, like checking emails and creating reports. Both Deep Agent and Google AI Studio can do this. In this example, I'll build a daily pipeline that 1. Reads your support inbox, 2. Drafts replies from your knowledge base, 3. Updates a CRM spreadsheet.
Okay, so that was quick.
And
You just ran right through it. It's like, it can't be that easy for it to see.
And turns it into a viral ad
We're going to do
generator
it.
using consistent
Maybe.
characters and Google VO3
doesn't work, then I'm not
JSON
gonna do
output.
it.
The app will generate 4 to 8
Erase this whole
consistent
thing.
character ad clips. For this demo, I'll use Google AI Studio. It's free with limited credits, but if you want to build bulk apps or advanced functions, go for the Pro plan. Copy my template prompt, links on my Facebook page, and paste it inside Google AI.
So let's do that. Facebook page. There we go. Alright, here it is. I believe this is it. Okay, you're an expert AI ad creator. So I'm just dropping this in. Seriously. Flash is supposed to be pretty good, actually. Let's give it a shot. Did he drop it in here? Let's see.
Now, let's take one of my free prompt packs and turn it into a real app. Here's the concept. Build an AI app that takes a single product photo and turns it into a viral ad generator. Using consistent characters and Google VO3 JSON output, the app will generate 4 to 8 consistent character ad clips. For this demo, I'll use Google AI Studio. It's free with limited credits, but if you want to build bulk apps or advanced functions, go for the pro plan. Copy my template prompt, links on my Facebook page, and paste it inside Google AI Studio. Here's what happens when you hit
That was
paste
it.
it inside
Right into the
Google
chat.
AI template prompt, links on my Facebook page, and paste it inside.
They love just flashing through it. Okay, here we go. I think he's just going to here. Why am I lost all of a sudden? Oh, because it's got such a weird icon. Alright, here you go. Build it. Is it gonna actually do what he said? Okay. So these are extra things we could do. That's interesting. What else we got? Okay, sounds good. Yeah. There it is. My ad creation pro. It's amazing how fast this shit gets built now. Unfucking believable. Okay. Look at that. Let's check this code out. We have TypeScript, index.ts, TSX, and app.tsx. So there's just 2 pages. Gemini services. I do have an API key somewhere. So if I wanted to use it on a different, with a different AI, I would have to go in and this is probably what I'll do is just switch out the API, which would be this part here. We're importing Google Gen AI. script to see if this works. Let's do it. Let's see, a subscription. I don't know. I mean, subscription is not even a product, though. What do I have to sell? That's I have a book. I can do that. Yeah. A book called. Yeah, and this is my book. If you guys are interested in looking at it, it's on Amazon right now. It's free. If you sign up for Kindle, for some reason they used it as like the advertising for their Kindle account, which is cool. Book called AI Music Essentials. That's what it is. See how detailed we can be here. Reference image, I do have that somewhere. I kind of like this. I wish I would use this one. I'll try this one. Yeah. Probably should use the one I actually use here. Generate character. Alright. Uh-oh, was I supposed to put input? Because now it's just designing whatever it's going to be. So what I could do is put this as an internal app on the platform. It'll be the advertising campaign feature, maybe just a page. And if I can find more of these, then I can give people choices, or I can edit this one. Okay, who's this guy? I don't know about this guy. Why? Oh, there's a description. I don't get it. How did that description get in there? That must be just a stock one that's in there. Okay. Well, I'm going to change that, I think. He's got my book already, right? Yeah. Okay. Kind of my book. Warm olive skin tone. Okay. What if I just said a 28-year-old American woman? Can I change this right here? No. Okay. Interesting. I already want to change this, though. This guy doesn't sell no fucking books. Come on. Nobody wants to buy anything from this guy. I mean, great looking kid, but come on. So, how do I change that? I guess I should probably just get through this. Continue to script. 8 scene ad script. Wow. What is he doing? He's standing confidently into the camera. Okay. Obviously, this is what we need to change. We need to change the JSON information, which you should be able to change with a an interface, or you could just, I guess, change it raw here, but obviously that's a little bit unformatted, hard to do. Script to VO3. What? Character add prompt. Okay, I trust that those are 8 scenes of this guy selling my book. Master the sound of the future. Hey, let me tell you, that's how I feel about it. We export it to VO3. Of course, the other Google flagship product, right? Alright, do it. Just make this editable. I think it's editable. Maybe not. It's a PDF, right? PDFs. I don't even know how to use a PDF. Let's put it out. Let's be frank with it. I've dealt with them so much, and if you don't have like Acrobat, when you open a PDF, all of a sudden Acrobat will just come flying out and say, "Hey, renew your subscription." What subscription? This is it's a text file. No, it's a PDF. It's like a image or something. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have all these prompts, and then we just put these right into VO3. I think is the story is what they're trying to say here. We've transferred it from. We've gotten these prompts built by Gemini, and they're perfectly set up to put into VO. They're JSON too, though. Okay. Upload these prompts to Google AI Studio with your green screen character image. I could swear that that's what we just did. I'm gonna have to watch the rest of this.
Pasted inside Google AI Studio. Here's what happens when you hit enter. It builds the full UI for uploading images, adds a preview and job queue, creates a character lock module to keep consistent visuals, generates Google VO3, JSON templates with cinematic camera moves, lighting, and shot types, adds a download bundle step, and finally, deploys the app with a live link. Let's test it out. I'll upload one product image from my previous tutorial, set the aspect ratio, and let the app analyze it. It automatically generates a concept prompt. Then I click generate, and boom, I get my character and product paired. The first version isn't perfect, but that's expected with a general prompt. That's exactly why my free prompt pack will help here. Still, I'll select one I like and move to the next step.
I'm missing a very important step here. Well, it doesn't look anything like his, but okay. Back to character and a script, VO3. Shit, I already did that. Alright, I just expected it to look kind of like what he was showing, so that's kind of a fake out there, but I don't blame him. It was pretty cool looking what he had. Okay, then we have our JSON, and what exactly do I do with this? I throw it right into VO3, right?
It gives me 8 scene prompts, one by one. Super easy to follow. Click create image, and look at that. The visuals are cinematic, realistic, and ad ready. You can download each image to your drive or go further. Generate animations directly inside the app. The results look good, but not fully consistent yet. That's why I'll now rerun the same process.
I feel like I missed a whole step because this is what his app looks like. From the beginning, it was very different. Okay. I tried to follow the directions exactly. Maybe I shouldn't have. I'm not understanding. I'm just not understanding. Like, okay. They got me. I'm gonna start paying them for something again. They're really good at that, but hell, their shit's pretty fucking amazing. It's almost always the most expensive though. Well, I don't think there's anything incriminating on here. This is what they sent me to. Pulled me in, got me to sign up for something here. Now let's take a look at this. Cloud storage, yes. I owe him 40 cents for that. Cut that off pretty quick. Went with Cloudflare, much better price. Okay, so I have to set up billing. I did set up billing, right? I mean, my billing's already set up. Linked account. It's linked, I believe. I don't think they'd make it hard for me to link billing to a project, so I'm pretty sure it's there. So what do I do now? Somebody tell me. I think I deployed it. If not, I have to deploy it now. This is set up, right? Maybe I do this. Good God, it's like a loop now. Okay, we're good. So how do I connect it exactly? And that's why we have AI. This looks right. Shit, that's gonna send me back to the same fucking thing. Shit. Nope. Well, that's one way to make me feel dumb. Cloud, help me out here. I'm trying to run a okay, he knows what's going on. I'm using a template that is created specifically for the Google AI Studio, and now that I've set up the app, I want to deploy it so that I can test it out. I guess it's in the Cloud Shell. Is that if that's what Google AI Studio is? Oh shit, I could just download it. 1 second. I think it lets me download it. By the way, that's much better because I don't really like putting stuff up on the cloud for people to remix and find. I don't know. It's just, I mean, these are all being shared. Everyone's sharing everything, which is fine. But when I adjust it or make it Etherwave branded, or make changes to it specifically that need to happen, you really don't want it out there because then someone could just grab it and it's not proprietary at that point. That's for sure. Okay. I'll throw it into a repo and we'll do that much better. I bypass Cloud Run since I have it local now. That's what I say. So the directions from the video were there, but they only get you so far, right? You notice how everything was a little bit different than what you would expect from watching that video. So I don't understand why why they don't make it easy. You know, that's one thing you should do, is like, if you can make these videos deliver on what they promise and make it simple and actually follow the steps that they give you, you might get some business. I don't know. Probably can't show this. Oh shit, it opened over there. Oh, that's all it is. All it is this. So I put my key in there, which I do have somewhere. Not there though. Where's it gonna open up? Oh shit. Oh. That was pretty bad. I think I'm going to cut that out like right now.